Alright, this week is just going to be a quick spot check. See if the last nuke successfully made a queen, or, well, queen cell. And I gotta check if the hives need more supers. Let's get to it. Alright, let's have a quick check. That's food reserves. Well, they're growing, that's for sure. And they've raked in a lot of nectar and pollen. Okay. That is the frame I gave them last week. There were eggs. Oh, there's eggs. We have a queen. All right. Well, that is 22 out of 24 successfully mated queen. Wonderful. Now, let's go check if any hive needs more supers. Now that was a pre-drawn super, and they're working on it, but it looks fine for now. Let's just close it up, move on to the next one. Now, the cattle farmer, have been considering putting hives on. Like, he's expressed some doubts. So I've taken more steps into trying to find another spot. These girls are fine. They should be good for another week. And well, since he doesn't seem too sure, and while the cattle smell is absolutely horrible, I don't want the honey to taste of, well, cow. So I've kept on. So what I've done is taken some more steps, looking for another place to put my bees, and I might have found a strawberry patch. I'll keep you updated on that. All right. All right. Looks good, but I'm more and more debating whether or not I should, just in case, give them another super. Let's have a look here from the back so I don't bother the bee as much. Yeah, they're hard at work, and you know what? I'm not gonna take any chance. I don't want any swarming. I'll go give them a super each. One last look. This one I added a deep because they were going nuts. See, that's what they drew in 1 week, along with the first one from above the brood chamber. But I want to have a look at the deep I added, so give me a second. A chisel is not the ideal tool for this. It'll teach me to forget. my hive tools right next to the car at home. There we go. Wow, that's heavy. Very, very heavy. Yeah, it's mostly drawn. Let me show you. It is mostly drawn. I am going to have to add more supers. So that was a quick video. Not much to tell, really. I'll keep you posted on when and if I get to put the bees in the new location near the strawberries. Other than that, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. Please like and subscribe.